Hi guys, welcome to another GoForIt video. Today I will remove some crunchy parts on my 2003 Mazda MX5. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you do, consider to subscribe and activate the notifications. This is my track day car, my MX5 NB, and despite the fact the car is structurally strong, it has some parts that are a little bit crunchy. Like here, you see? We have a lot of rust that needs to be addressed and taken care. The other side, it's the same. So the plan for today is to take care of that, remove all that rust, and make the car look good again. So because this is a track car only, I don't care too much about getting the metal panels, the right panels. I just want it to be strong and to look good. So the plan to solve these two parts is to cut the rust away, build a strong structure below, and then just use these fiberglass side skirts that I will put right over here to hide the lack of panel below and that strong structure that I will build. These side skirts will be painted matte black, like my new hardtop. Let's lift the car and start. In order to start, let's take away the wheels. Now you can see better how damaged is this part underneath. So let's start to break all this apart and take all this. Well, it seems to me that in this part somebody was trying to put some filler to hide all this stuff. So I will keep cleaning and let's see what I find more. Now that we have the rear cutted to roughly to the position that I want, I will remove the front fender liner and start to address this front part. You guys can see in here the amount of debris and leaves and so many junk that, look, how bad it was. So now it's ready to start to peel this and remove the damaged metal and seal it. At this point, I have the four corners addressed and they are ready to proceed. My plan is to do some spot welds in some strategic places to reinforce the body, and I will weld some reinforcement plates in this area in the lift points of the car. So this part will not bend again and it will be strong to put the hydraulic check or the lift and to hold it. In this same area in the back and in that area in the front, I will weld a flat bar and make a structure to bolt the side skirt, the fiberglass side skirt that I will mount. In that way I will ensure that the side skirt will be hard mounted to the car and not only glued here on the top. Let's bring the welder and start to spot weld this. At this point, after have all the reinforcements welded, I am now test fitting the side skirt. I put it already with tape. It is held on place by tape all around, and as you guys can see, this will be roughly the final position. What I will do now, in the top part here, it will be welded to the car with a panel bond. And in the bottom, I will build some tabs that I will weld from here to this side, matching the shape of the side skirt in order to be able to bolt it and to be hard mounted to the body. I will put a tab roughly in here in this area, another one here to hold the small piece, then immediately after another one. Maybe I will make a larger one. Well, they have different shapes, so I will put one here, and this edge of the long part will be supported. Here in the back, it's a little bit easy because it is flat and I have a lot of room. And I will prepare a really nice structure to bolt it from the bottom up and ensure that it will be really secure. With the side skirt in place, I spot welded the supports on the places that I want them. Now I will fully weld them all around. Then I can drill them to be able to apply a Revit to hold the side skirt. I will not bolt it in, I will use Revit to hold them in place. In here we have the three tabs that will hold the front part. I have now the tabs fully welded in the back and in the front, so it is now ready to apply the rust converter in this side to seal all this rust on the metal that I didn't took. I will apply this rust converter, and after that I will apply a primer. The rust converter is applied in all the four corners, so it is now starting to flash. By the instructions, it will take around 6 hours to fully react with the rust and to be ready to take the primer. I will let it sit during the night, and tomorrow I will apply the first coat of primer. Today is a new day. And the rust converter is already cured, and the reaction is complete. You can see all the rust parts are now black, and the surface is like if it has some varnish on top. This is possible to stay like this, but in my case I will apply a coat of primer on top. For now I will just mask this to start to apply the primer. These fiberglass skirts that I have, they have a really good finish, really smooth. So I just gonna give them a really good wipe with isopropylic alcohol, and then start to apply the black coating. With the side skirts already painted black and the car here on the metal cleaned with the isopropylic alcohol, I'm now ready to apply the rivets and then the panel bond. I will try in this situation to rivet the bottom here on the supports and then apply the panel bond on top, because we have some flexibility on the fiber to open it and to put a light line of panel bond there and to press it against the car. Let's see how it goes. If something goes wrong, in the other side we test a different approach. If not, we will mimic what we did in here. We can apply the rivet in place. Let me see. Okay. There it is, really secure. And we still have some flex to apply the panel bond. And the first one is already secured in place with rivets. Now I need to put the panel bond on top and then put another small rivet here in the back. With everything cleaned, I will just use some black panel bond to glue the fiberglass skirt to the car. I will apply in the interior. Like this. Here. And here it is, guys. This is the final result. The side skirts are really, really, really good, and they fit properly on the car. See on this side also. So they are really, really strong. I can move all the car just pushing on the side skirt, and the fitment is amazing. And just like this, I don't have a rusties anymore. It's how my friends call my car due to the rust points over there. I think it will be the rusties forever. This was the video for today. I really hope you enjoyed. Consider to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications if you like this kind of content. Now that the rusties is free of rust and has the new side skirts, it's ready to start a new project. So guys, like the video, share it on your social networks, and if you have a project that you intend to do, just go for it. See you on the next one.